Hello, this is Jana Dalton. Welcome to another School Care Snippet. Today I want to spend a little bit of time talking about the programs through Cigna called iPrevail and Happify. You may have already seen some information about them, so I just wanted to spend a little more time going into greater detail about those programs. I think this past year or two has taught us that our mental health is very important in our lives and that we need to do a little more and take a little more action in making sure we're making our own mental health as much of a priority as possibly our physical health. So these apps are provide some programs that help us in that. So I want to spend a little bit of time in showing you how to access that and exactly what they do to assist in that endeavor. I've already logged into my own Cigna program. And what you do is you go through coverage, then down to the employee assistance program. I've already talked some about the employee assistance program, but let me remind you again that this is also an important part of our mental health. So certainly look through all of these different topics under the EAP as well and access those programs either here in seminars in your school districts or programs that we can offer through school care. If you scroll down towards the bottom of this EAP page, you can see behavioral health resources, manage your stress level, find disaster resources, explore wellness webcasts, learn about self-care and much more. The first option here is Happify. It notes here that it's a science-based activities and games designed to help you overcome negative thoughts, stress, and life's challenges. Happify fits into your busy schedule and can be accessed anytime from a desktop or mobile device. So there is a free app that you can also download onto your smartphone. I'm going to start today. Click here. It says start your journey today. And this just shows you different ways. So again, there's a lot of games and I've done some of them. They're really sort of help remind you to keep positive thoughts in the forefront of your mind. Lots of different ways to do that. Talks about, different programs it's been featured in, created with all these various experts in mind, scientifically designed to stop negative thoughts, reduce stress and anxiety, build optimism and mindfulness, gain confidence and self-esteem. You can sort of create your own little games and activities to do to help support you in whatever types of specific topics you would like to focus on. There are ways I've personally also taken advantage of, 10-minute meditations that they offer. Those are one of my favorite parts of using Happify. So please explore this and get involved in it. It's another sort of neat way to be able to improve our mental health. The other program that you can also access is called iPrevail. The information here says get help in overcoming anxiety, depression, eating disorders, grief, panic, and more with on-demand coaching and personalized lesson plans based on proven cognitive behavioral therapies. Engage with peer coaches or work through the activities and lessons on your own. Third-party service providers, including but not limited to network clinicians, are solely responsible for any services provided. Providers aren't agents of Cigna, and there's ways to get started here. So as you can see, iPrevail is a little more clinically motivated for more specific types of important issues you might be dealing with. I'm going to click on Get Started. This is how you can access iPrevail. I've already gone in and registered. So this is sort of intro. I haven't set it up yet, but this gives you an idea of once you get registered, this is how you start. Pick your approach. How do you want to get support? You can chat with a coach if you're not sure exactly what you want help with, but there are lessons you can enroll in, sessions you can enroll in. Those are drop-in or schedule with trained coaches. And there are also groups, so you can learn and practice social connection, interacting with like-minded folks. So a lot of different ways that you can access this program. And again, to get more specific help with very specific areas that you would need some support with. So this is what iPrevail looks like. So hopefully this helps to show you how you can take advantage of iPrevail and Happify right under your My Cigna login, under coverage, under the Employee Assistance Program, or EAP, and then again at the bottom of that page. You have apps that you can get on your phone so that you can follow along and do different activities right from the convenience of your smartphone. The other piece I like about this is it can help you with these different types of challenges that you're dealing with in lots of different ways right from the comfort of your own home. So you don't have to go somewhere. You can just sit in your living room or your bedroom and be able to access this help. And like I said, I've personally used the meditation programs, and those I've found to be very helpful. So there's a lot of different ways that you can access help. Again, just as a big reminder, take care of your mental health, because it's not easy nowadays. There's a lot of stressors going on, and so it's really, really important that you take care of your own mental health first. So please be well, take good care of yourself, and reach on out if you need anything. Thank you so much.